Get is one of the most flexible words in English. By the end of this video, you'll never be confused about it again. So, let's get started. These are the expressions you'll hear in real-life conversations every single day. Let's get started. I get it, you're busy. Get well soon. Get ready, we're leaving in 10 minutes. What time do you get up in the morning? Let's get together this weekend. I need to get over this cold. Get off the train at the next stop. He finally got over his fear of heights. Can you get back to me by Friday? I get along really well with my coworkers. Do you and your roommate get along? We're getting by on a tight budget this month. I can get by with basic English when I travel. Did you get my email? I got your message this morning. She got a promotion last week. We got some good news today. It's getting late, I should go. He's getting better at English every day. It's getting cold outside. Don't get angry. Let's talk about it. What time did you get home? We got to the airport early. I'll get there by 6 p.m. She just got back from vacation. I don't get this question. Can you explain? Oh, I get it now. Do you get what I mean? I want to get a new phone. Can you get some milk on your way home? Let's get coffee before the meeting. I'm going to get my hair cut today. Can you get him to call me back? She got the manager to give her a refund. I'll get my sister to help us move. I need to get my car fixed. She got her nails done yesterday. We should get the house cleaned before guests arrive.